How's it going, guys? I just want to give you a warm welcome to Travel and Trade. This is a vlog series that we're going to be doing here at Phoenix. I've been out in Dubai now for around 6 weeks, and Harry and Lewis are flying out today, so we thought it'd be a good time to start with us all together as a team, just traveling around and trading the markets. We hope that you enjoy the vlogs. There's going to be many more coming. Thank you. How's it going, guys? So Harry and Lewis landed last night and they're in the hotel restaurant downstairs, Cafe Society. So got our laptops. We're gonna go and get some breakfast, look at some charts. I've got 2 trades that I'm looking at getting into. So I'm just gonna see if they can give me an entry, and I will show you that when we're down. So here we are, here's Harry and Lewis. We just met everyone for the first time. The gold trade that I said about in the elevator, because of the Wi-Fi, I missed the entry, which would have been perfect. Which is a bit annoying because I'm currently 1% down on the FTMO verification, but it's fine. There's plenty of opportunity all the time. I don't mind missing a trade, but yeah, it was in line with the strategy. It would have been a nice little setup. I do still have my buy order here, so it might come and tag me in. I'll let you know if it does. But yeah, I'm about to get some breakfast, and as you can see, everyone's just chatting up. So yeah. So we've had the breakfast, we've finished the morning session of trading, and this was the gold trade that did stop me out. I do think that on a 4 hour, let me just show you. On a 4 hour, we have the 618 just here, sitting right underneath where we are. So I think we'll probably push down to this level, which is also last week's previous low. And I think there'll be a lot of buyers around 1720. If it can break through there, we'll come all the way down to 1711. Whereas the 786, but I really don't think we're going to break this low down here, because as you can see, gold was trending down for a long time, but now the trend has changed and we're making new higher highs, higher lows. So that's why I'm looking for buys. But yeah, it did stop me out, which is completely fine. The other trade, because if you remember I said I was looking at 2 trades, the other trade was CAD to Japanese yen, and I actually missed the trade because I was in gold. I wasn't looking at the chart at the time, which is unfortunate because that was a quick 2.5 to 1. So that would have obviously then put me into profit. But, you know, we take it on the chin. It's only Monday morning. It's only, let me check. It's only like 10:30 in the UK because we're 3 hours ahead. And I'm at FTMO then. So I passed the initial stage. This is the new $200,000 account. They only released that like less than a month ago, and I thought straight away, yep, I'm doing that, I'm on that. Did it, passed the challenge, which I'll show you. So now I'm in the verification. So yeah, passed the challenge in the 12 days. Profit target was 20,000, which is 10%. We did just over that, and done that. Started the new verification literally late last week. It's currently down like 2%, which is completely fine, because we've only got to do 5%. If you look, the profit target for the verification is only $10,000, which is 5%, and we're only down like 2%. So literally, if I'd have just caught that CAD Japanese yen trade, which I was waiting for, then I'd be back in profit. But we've got at least another 5 trading days before I can pass it anyway, and you get double the time. So with this one, there's actually 2 months to hit 5%, which obviously it's not hard. So just got to manage risk, keep finding the nice opportunities, not rush it, and I'm sure we'll do that. So I'm going to literally kind of document the whole journey as well as the whole Dubai journey, show you what it's really like to live as a trader and travel the world and still trade from a laptop, and just be completely honest about everything, any loss, any profit, everything. I'm just going to be completely transparent. So we're going to go and sunbathe now and spend some time at a pool. Lunch on the Jumeirah beach, and we're buying loads of yachts on the marina, so check it out. Check it, there's a Manson Urus here. It's like my favourite car outside Rixos, the JBR. It's incredible. So we're at Smoky Beach right now. We're just doing some chart work and just smoking, relaxing. It's been a good day. Just looking at GA at the moment. So we sent a trade out earlier into the group on GA on this exact pair. A sell limit, which was here. And we actually closed out in a 1 pip loss, which was annoying because it would have been a quick 5-to-1 take profit. But we're just waiting to see if we can catch a re-entry now. Come back up now for the third touch of this trend line, which is nice. Also in the Fibonacci golden region as well. So we're just waiting to see if we can get some clear rejection and create some structure under the time frame. So I'll keep you updated if we enter the trade, how it goes. And yeah, we're just going to chill out, smoke, sit like that, like fucking mad way out.
Right, it's recording, let's go. This is fucking freezing. Yo, you don't even know how cold this is.
Fucking hell, bro, I almost had a sick video. Oh, that could go in. So we've got the shishas, we've got the selfie coffee with the Instagrams. We're just watching the fountain show right now, as you can see. This is why Hooker's probably the best spot in Dubai to actually just chill out on a weekend. You've got nice views, nice show. Guys, so we hope that you've enjoyed the vlog, and I'm just going to go over this week in terms of trading. It's actually been a poor week for myself, and I'm not going to give excuses. I could say that it's because we've been here, there and everywhere showing Harry and Lewis a good time in Dubai, but nevertheless, in truth, what I think's happened is my confidence turned to arrogance or ignorance. When I was back testing gold and then started trading gold, we had 13 trades in a row that was profitable, and then the first stop loss was on Monday morning, and I got to the point where I was saying, oh, we've hacked gold. Like, that's when my confidence turned to arrogance, and I was thinking, like, I'm not going to hit a stop loss on gold because there's 13 trades there with no stop loss. So then I became a bit careless and I wasn't looking at the markets properly, and then I had 4 stop losses on gold just on Monday, which really set the week off bad. And then when we was out and about and I was trying to trade for my phone, again, I was just in the wrong state of mind. So I've ended this week with FTMO. We're currently about 7.5% down on the verification. And that means that say if I was to drop another 2.5%, then the verification would be failed and I'd have to start the FTMO challenge again from square one, do the 10% and then do the 5%. But having said that, I'm still certain that I'm going to pass it. What I've experienced is after my bad weeks, I usually have my best weeks, and that's because with trading, your losses are your lessons. So when I have a bad week like this week, it kind of hits my vulnerable spots and shows me what needs to be worked on, what can be improved, and then I go through using a system called Notion, and I put all of my trades in, before and after shots, all of that, and we reflect on what went wrong, what could have been improved. So I'm actually very confident going into the new week and just overall anyway. We're going to spend a bit less time out and about next week and a lot more time on the charts and trading. So I'm sure you'll get a lot of that footage too. So with trading, I think it's very, very important to have a growth mindset. So if you haven't read a book called Mindset by Dr. Carol Dweck, that is definitely a good recommend, especially in trading, in life in general, but especially in trading, because obviously I've been in this now, in and out of trading for about 8 years. So it's just a constant game of progression. There's no perfect trader out there in the world, and it's not about being perfect, it's just about progression. So even if right now you're in your trading journey and you're kind of always in a loss, but your loss is less than it used to be, and that's actually still progression. So you should still be happy with yourself rather than feel guilty, because it's not about just being perfect, starting perfect. No one does. It's about just constantly progressing and getting better and better. So yeah, that's a very, very important point that I just wanted to make. So guys, we just wanted to show you kind of what it's like to travel around the world and trade. And we're going to be doing one of these vlogs every single week. So please make sure that you like, subscribe and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss a video. Next week, we're going to be going to the water park on the weekend after our week of trading. So yeah, make sure you tune into that, guys. Thank you.